In today's video, I'm going to teach you organizing workflow with ClickUp, quick instructions. We're going to keep things simple and get a clean structure in place so you can organize work without overwhelm. Start inside your ClickUp workspace and head to the list view under All Tasks. This puts you in a familiar layout and makes it easy to see what will live inside your new setup. Now, create a new space. A space is a high-level container. Think of it as a big bucket for a major area of work like sales, operations, or personal. Choose a clear, memorable name. For example, sales works great if you're planning to track leads, outreach, and follow-ups. Short, specific names make navigation easier later on. Click Continue to move through the setup flow, then select Create Space to confirm. After that, you'll see a quick setup with a few highlighted prompts. Click through each highlighted item to review what's being offered. These screens typically include sensible defaults, so if you're unsure, you can keep them as is and move forward. The options usually cover things like who can access the space, which task statuses are available, and which views are enabled. Keep it lightweight to start. You can always refine later as your workflow becomes clearer. When you reach the end of the flow, click Save. That's it. Your space is created. Inside this new space, you'll see areas where your lists and tasks will live. Lists are subcategories within the space, and they're perfect for grouping related work. For example, within a sales space, you might later organize things like outreach, proposals, or follow-ups. Keeping lists focused helps you scan and prioritize quickly. A few practical tips as you continue. Use consistent naming so everyone knows where things belong. Keep your task statuses simple at first, so work moves smoothly, and only add features you'll actually use. If you're working with a team, set clear access and sharing rules so the right people see the right work. And remember, you can revisit space settings anytime to adjust statuses, views, or privacy as your system evolves. Once your space is in place, you'll be able to add lists and tasks, assign owners, set due dates and priorities, and attach files. ClickUp's mobile app mirrors your setup, so capturing ideas and staying on top of tasks on the go is straightforward. To recap, open your workspace in List View, create a new space, name it clearly, continue through the highlighted setup prompts, and save. With that foundation, you're ready to organize work in a way that's simple, scalable, and easy to maintain.